Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reduce hand fatigue from phone use. And these will be easy steps, so without further ado, let's get right into this specific video. And there are 5 specific steps that I'm going to outline to hopefully reduce your hand fatigue if you are using your phone quite a bit, or even if you're using your phone only a little bit but you're experiencing hand fatigue. Hopefully these can help you out. I'm going to try and keep this video short, sweet, and straight to the point, so pay attention. Starting off with number one. Number one is loosen your grip slightly, but obviously make sure you're still holding your phone well enough to have a good enough grip of the actual phone. So just whatever grip you have, okay, if you can loosen it slightly while still having a good enough grip of the phone, that is a key factor. It's going to hopefully help you out. So just loosen your grip ever so slightly, but make sure you're still holding the phone well enough to have a good grip of your phone. Okay, simple. That's number one. Next up is number two. Number two is use both hands more often if you can. So, most people use their phone with a single hand, okay? But whenever it's possible, you should try to incorporate both hands at the same time. So hold the phone with one hand and use the other hand to deal with the phone. So I can hold the phone with this hand and I can use this hand to deal with the phone. Or just if you're using it with one hand only, let's say I use it with my left hand usually, I could switch it to my right. This way you kind of evenly distribute the load amongst both hands, and that's going to hopefully help you out, just because it'll put less strain on if you're using your phone with with your left hand 90% of the time. If you do 50-50 left and right, if you split it basically evenly, that should help you out, right? Or even if you hold it with one hand and use the other hand to deal with the scrolling and the actual, whatever you're doing on your phone, that should hopefully help you out. So try and incorporate both hands in some way, shape, or form if you can. Next up is number 3. Number 3 is keep your wrist more neutral. So you want to try and keep your wrist more neutral. That'll put less of a strain on your wrist, and that will hopefully help your hands overall feel better and less fatigued. So try and find a neutral wrist position and try and keep your wrist in that roughly neutral position, give or take. Okay. Next up is number 4. Number 4 is reduce the reach distance for your fingers. So, if you're holding your phone and you're, using your fingers on the screen, you want to reduce how far your fingers have to reach. There are many ways that you can accomplish this, and you want to do your best. Like I said, obviously your phone still has to make sense for you, but if you can reduce the reach distance for your fingers, you should do that. And one of the best ways is to, like I said, hold your phone with one hand and use the other hand to deal with the phone. This way your fingers are not reaching. If I'm holding the phone with my left hand and I use my right hand fingers to deal with the stuff on the phone screen, then my left hand fingers are not reaching onto the phone screen, and my right hand fingers are not reaching either because they're able to just move like this. So instead of going like this and reaching, I can hold it and do this, and now I'm not reaching nearly as much. I don't think I'm reaching at all, basically, if I do this. So that will reduce the reach of my fingers, required for my fingers, but also there are other ways to do it on your phone. You can look into different methods and do whatever works for you. Very simple. Last but not least for this video is number 5, and number 5 is take micro breaks. If you can take a little break here and there when you're using your phone, that would be beneficial to reduce your hand fatigue and your wrist fatigue and your arm fatigue that might come hand in hand, no pun intended, with using the phone. That was a good one. Anyways, you just take small breaks if you can. It's not always possible, I know. It depends on your lifestyle, it depends on your phone, it depends on what you do with your phone, and so on and so forth. But try to take micro breaks if you can, and hopefully it'll help you out, with regards to reducing your overall hand fatigue from using the phone. So yeah, try to take micro breaks or smaller breaks if you can. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.